everyone, this is SheShe coming on to share with you an Aliexpress haul from Alinacutle store. So first up, I have this cute little house. It has 3 sets of dies to cut out the house. So this is the roof, and then there's like another little piece that goes on top of the roof. I didn't use that top piece, but if you want, you can. I think it's like maybe a reinforcer piece. If you want, you can make it a gingerbread house. So here's another piece in the set to make the sides of the house and the windows. And then here's the other pieces. This is, I believe, is the base, and then the doors and some frames of the windows if you want to make some different edges and so on. So this is how the house looks. These are the frames that I decided to use for the windows. Again, you can do some different frames if you want. Here's another frame you can use for the door. You can just use the door like that. And then here's one of the frames you can use, and there's another set of frames that you can use to make the windows look different. So this is how I decorated my house. You can make it a gingerbread house if you want, or I've seen, I believe Gloria make hers like a haunted house. It was really cute. So I just thought I would come on and share with you how it looks just the basic way. So I'll do a different look of my house later, but this is just my example. So there's how that looks. Then also, if you have any questions, I believe it does not cut through your Big Shot. It will be, I guess, redone from what I heard on other videos, so that it will fit through a Big Shot. But as it is right now, it does not fit through the Big Shot, the big piece to make the walls of the house. So next is this set, which is really pretty. I did cut out the biggest doily, which is really pretty, and then the white doily is this inner part of the doily. So this is how it looks cut out, and then this is the small piece of the set. Now I did cut out the other pieces to show how the other pieces look in the set in my project, so I will share with you how these other pieces look. So I just wanted to show you how all the pieces in the set look for that. And so next I want to share with you these, I call them cuddle kids, but they're dolls. You do need this set right here in order to make all the characters in the doll set. So you must purchase this, and then the next sets are the characters that go on the doll. So this is how the little boy looks with the glasses. So here's him. And this is the set that goes with this to make him. Really cute. And then this is the set with the girl with the pigtails. So this is how she looks. I put a dress on her, but she has like some little overalls with a pocket. So again, this is how she looks. I did use her on my Memory Decks recipe card, so I'll show you how she looks with her little pants and stuff. So this is the next set with the little boy with the winter hat and sweater. So this is how he looks. Really, really cute. You can put him on some winter cards. And I do have a video that shows how you can make shoes and different things. And I'll probably come up with another video to show you how to make the Santa girl that's coming up. So this is the next little boy with the hat. And this is his set. He has different hair. You can put him with the hat or without the hat. But this is how he looks fully dressed. And then here's the Santa girl that I'll have a video coming up and how I got the little belt on her, because she does not come with the belt or the boots. So I'll share with you how I made the boots and the belt and all this other stuff with her to make her look more like a Santa girl. But she has just the hat and the dress. But I made a belt and I made her little boots. So I'll do a video showing how I made her like that. And she has holes in her dress. So I made it a solid dress, as you can see. Okay, and then the next set is this little girl with the hat. And then this is how she turns out when she's fully dressed with shoes. And the dolls do not come with shoes, so I share with you in the video how to get the shoes. And then the next little girl is this one. And I bet you some of those grandparents out there probably have grandchildren that look like these little kids. So this is how she looks. And then here's another version of her with different hair color. Probably could make twin girls or twin boys. These are just really adorable kids. And then here's this little boy and his set. And then this is how he turns out. So really, really cute. And then my next project I'll share, I used this bow. I used the Memory Dex cards to make my recipe cards. Actually, this is a Memory Dex set or Rolodex set, whatever you want to call it. I used these deco edge squares to make the box, the layering pieces on the box. I used these border dies. You can do so much with this set, which I've already talked about and shared in previous videos. So here's my box. I put a bow, the heart border bow, and I put a little heart piece right here to decorate. I love doing that. This kind of reminds me of a pie crust. It's so pretty, this doily set that I shared previously. This set right here. This is where that comes from. So I stamped recipes on here to make my recipe box. This is the deco edge square set that I layered on top, and then I also layered it. This is the box where I used a border set to border some type of decoration piece with the deco edge squares, and then I stamped yummy on the scallop doily piece, and I did that all the way around. So I'll just open this up and share with you my recipe cards inside this box. And that's my idea for I'm going to make more, but I just did a few for the video. So the first recipe card just says side recipes, so I'll put more and then I'll put all my little recipes on the cards, but this is just the little tabs. So here is some of the pieces, because it comes with pieces, so I just stamped on the little hearts that look like this for right here, and then I did the little borders, as you can see up there. And I cut out some little stamps that I have that are more recipe themed. So here's the little oven mitt and jam, and then the little girl with her chef hat and the spoon. So really, really cute. And then here's one where it says baked desserts. So here's a tab for that where I can put all my dessert recipes. And then she has a little icing bag, and then it has a little stamp for the icing that you can stamp on there. So I just thought, oh, this was cute. And then there's some little jam jars. And then here's another one for baked desserts. I really loved making these cards. And then there's one for pies. So you can have one for pies or cakes or jam recipes. So there's that one. And then this one just says baked yummy. So she has a little spoon, and then here's a little oven mitt. So you can just, you know, do whatever you want for these different recipes. So that's how that one's decorated. And then this one just says main dishes. And then this is how she looks. I don't have a chef hat on her. And then this one just says baked dishes. So if you have like macaroni and cheese or lasagna or whatever, I just put jam on there, but it doesn't have to stay there, you know. But, you know, just decorate it how you wish. So that is my inspiration slash haul video that I have to share for today. I hope you were inspired. I will link all the products I used in this video in the description box below. So I hope you like what I shared today. So take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.